In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase to Vercel. We'll walk through the connection process directly inside Vercel so you can link your database to the right project quickly and cleanly. This is useful if you want your app hosted on Vercel to work smoothly with Supabase for data storage and backend features. To get started, go to Vercel and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll be able to see your projects. The goal here is to open the exact project where you want to connect Supabase, since integrations are managed at the project level. From the dashboard, click on your specific project. This takes you into that project settings and management area. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple apps, because the integration will be attached to whichever project you open here. After you're inside the project, look for the storage tab and click on it. This is where Vercel lets you manage database and storage integrations connected to your application. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. It's designed to make external service connections much easier without needing to manually wire everything up right away. Inside the storage area, browse the available options and select Supabase from the database marketplace. This opens the Supabase integration flow within Vercel. Choosing it here ensures that you're using the supported setup path, which helps streamline configuration between the two platforms. Next, follow the prompts provided on screen. At this stage, Vercel will usually give you the option to either link an existing Supabase database or provision a new one through unified billing. If you already have a Supabase project you want to use, select the option to connect that existing database. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new one directly from this flow, which can simplify setup and keep billing more centralized. As you go through the prompts, read each screen carefully so you understand what is being connected and where. This is especially helpful for confirming that the correct Vercel project is being linked to the correct Supabase instance. Taking a few extra seconds here can save you from configuration issues later. Once you complete the prompts, the integration should be connected and ready for use inside your Vercel project. From there, you can continue with your application setup, knowing your project is now tied to Supabase through Vercel's built-in integration flow. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to connect Supabase to Vercel.